Hello guys, in this video we will see what is download stuck for Battlefield and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step understanding the stuck phenomenon content. This phenomenon occurs when the plint appears to halt progress during the download or update of Battlefield, displaying a percentage that remains unchanged for an extended period or showing zero download speed despite an active internet connection. It can manifest as a complete freeze, an extremely slow download that never finishes, or a recurring error message that prevents installation from proceeding. The underlying causes can range from corrupted download files, network connectivity issues, server-side problems, or conflicts with local system resources like firewalls or antivirus software, making the game unplayable or inaccessible. Step initial connectivity and application restarts. Content begin by performing fundamental checks to rule out transient issues. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and active by testing other online applications or websites. If using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection to eliminate wireless interference. Next, fully close the app by right-clicking its icon in the system tray and selecting Exit or through Task Manager Fs, then relaunch it. A simple restart of your computer can also resolve temporary software glitches that might be interfering with the download process for Battlefield. Step clear cache and run as administrator. Content corrupted or outdated cache files within the can often cause download issues. Navigate to the cache folder, typically located in Program Data Electronic Arts Services Cache. Note: Program Edit is a hidden folder. You may need to enable Show Hidden Files in File Explorer options. Delete all contents within this cache folder. Then restart the Additionally, right-click the shortcut and select Run as Administrator to ensure the application has the necessary permissions to download and write files to your system, which can sometimes be restricted by user account. Control your settings. Step network configuration and firewall antivirus exclusions. Content network settings and security software can frequently impede game downloads. Temporarily disable your Windows firewall and any third-party antivirus software to see if they are blocking the app's connection. If disabling them resolves the issue, add the app in Battlefield's installation directory as exceptions to your firewall and antivirus programs. You might also try flushing your cache by opening Command Prompt as administrator and typing a config flushes, then pressing Enter to resolve potential related connectivity problems that could be affecting download stability. Step reinstall app and contact support content. If the problem persists, a clean reinstallation of the app itself might be necessary. Completely uninstall the app from your system via Add or Remove Programs in Windows Settings. Then manually delete any remaining folders related to app or origin, its predecessoring program files should update a local roaming and program data. Restart your computer. Then download and install the latest version of the app from the official website. If all previous steps fail, gather details about your issue, error codes, what you've tried, and contact support directly for personalized assistance, as the problem might be server-side or require specific account troubleshooting.